Have you ever overslept and turned an ordinary morning into a hilarious disaster? Watch this fun English conversation to improve your listening and speaking skills while learning an important lesson about responsibility. Stay until the end to discover the moral of the story.
Sharing a funny story about oversleeping. Hi, Daniel. You look very cheerful today. What happened?
Hi, Emma. I was just remembering a funny story about the time I overslept.
Really? I love funny stories. Please tell me what happened.
It happened last year when I had an important job interview.
Oh no. Did you forget to set your alarm?
I actually set 3 alarms, but I accidentally turned them all off while I was still half asleep.
That sounds like something I would do.
When I finally opened my eyes, I saw that it was already 9 o'clock.
Wasn't your interview at 9?
Yes, it was exactly at 9 in the morning.
I can imagine how shocked you felt.
I jumped out of bed so quickly that I almost fell onto the floor.
That must have been both scary and funny.
Then I ran to the bathroom with my toothbrush still in my hand.
Did you even have time to eat breakfast?
Not at all. I grabbed a banana and ran out of the house.
What happened after that?
I rushed to the bus stop, but the bus had just left.
Oh, that was bad luck.
Yes, so I had to call a taxi immediately.
Did you arrive at the interview on time?
Unfortunately, I arrived almost 30 minutes late.
What did the interviewer say?
He smiled and asked if I had enjoyed my extra sleep.
That was actually a funny question.
I felt embarrassed, but I decided to tell him the truth.
Honesty is always the best choice.
He appreciated my honesty, but I still missed the opportunity.
Were you very disappointed?
Yes, I was. However, I learned a valuable lesson from that experience.
What lesson did you learn?
I learned to prepare everything the night before and never depend on only one alarm.
That is a very smart habit.
Now, I always set several alarms and place my phone far away from my bed.
That forces you to get up and turn it off.
Exactly. And it has helped me avoid oversleeping.
I also have a funny story about oversleeping.
Really? I would love to hear it.
One Saturday, I planned to meet my friends at the park early in the morning.
Let me guess. You overslept too?
Yes, I woke up 2 hours late because I forgot to charge my phone.
So your alarm never rang?
That's right. My friends sent me many funny messages.
Were they angry?
Luckily, they were understanding and laughed about it.
Good friends are very forgiving.
They even joked that I was training to become a professional sleeper.
That's a funny joke.
We still had a wonderful day together after I arrived.
Sometimes small mistakes create the funniest memories.
I completely agree with you.
Even though oversleeping can be funny, it can also cause serious problems.
Yes, especially when we have school, work, or important appointments.
That is why being responsible is so important.
We should sleep early and manage our time wisely.
Good preparation helps us avoid unnecessary stress.
Every mistake gives us a chance to become better.
Exactly. We should laugh at our mistakes, but we should also learn from them.
Thank you for sharing your funny story today.
You're welcome. I hope we never oversleep for anything important again.